Let's go over some tweezers. We got 7 new tweezers in. We're gonna start with the Kianli tweezers. We have 3 different types here. I've been using those 2 for the past 15 days maybe, and I love them. This one I have not used yet, and you can still see it has the tip cover on top. I just took it off the packaging. We're gonna go over the tweezers from Best. Very high quality tweezers, and they come in different shapes. This one, I would say it's about 90-degree or 80-degree angle tweezer, thick and well built. This one here is a little bit different, and I have not used either one of those, so we're gonna go over them right now. And we also have the Mechanic tweezer, which we will go over right now also. Let's start with the Qianli tweezers. Maybe we can grab a motherboard just so you can have an idea on how the tip is like and what the tip can grab, or how fine the tip is. We're gonna start with the Qianli bent tweezer. And like I said, I've been using it for almost 2 weeks, and look at the tip. The tip did not bend, it did not deform, it did not change shape, and it's very precise. Okay, what I like about this tweezer is the fact that it opens up a lot. Look at this big power IC. I can grab the whole thing with the way the tweezer opens. I mean, I have a Mercedes-Benz board here, and I always find it hard to grab this NEC chip because I do not have a single tweezer that's able to grab the NEC chip from end to end. This tweezer can. Let me compare. Let me show you, for example, the Hakko tweezer that I have here. It goes maybe 60% of the way. If we use this Aram tweezer, it goes maybe quarter of the way. I do not have a single tweezer that can grab this whole chip from front to end. The Kianli can. Okay, so that's one huge advantage with this tweezer, is it opens up a lot while still being able to grab any size component on the board, and it feels solid. The tweezer has weight to it. It feels solid, and it's thickened. Thick. It's not flimsy, and I can tell you the tip is not gonna deform or bend anytime soon, unless maybe you drop it on the floor and it lands on the tip, then it may bend. But of course I learned that the hard way. I used to spend $40, $50 or $60 on RM tweezers, and I later realized it does not matter how much money you spend on a tweezer. If it drops the wrong way on the floor, it's gonna bend. So this is a very high quality tweezer, and for the price, it's a steal. It's a steal. I want to go over the second Kianli tweezer, and I've been using this one for the past 2 weeks also. This is a straight one, and if we go under the microscope just to see how it feels like, and this is a very fine tweezer. Look at this. This is one very precise tweezer. Awesome. It's amazing. And I want to go over the third one, and the third one, for some reason, it feels heavier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is like a heavy-duty tweezer. One side is thicker than the other. You know how sometimes you use a tweezer to grab a wire, snatch a wire, or maybe to lift a plate off a motherboard? You use this one because this is a heavy-duty tweezer. The tip is strong, thick, and well built. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the thickness on this tweezer, and look at the precision of the tip. Very precise. So now that we went over the Kianli tweezers, let's go over the tweezers from Best. And we have 3 of them. Let's go under the microscope. This is a heavy-duty tweezer. If we compare the opening with the bent one from Kianli, I think Kianli opens up more. Yes, opens up more. And let's take a look at this tweezer under the microscope. Of course, very solid. You can grab any component, no problem. So that's one of the tweezers from Best. And the second tweezer from Best is about 30 degrees angle. About. The other one that we just went over is about 80. And we can grab any component on the board using this tweezer, no problem. So what's the difference between the 30-degree angle and the 80? It really depends on what you are working on. Sometimes I find myself more comfortable working with a straight tweezer. Sometimes I find myself more comfortable working on a slightly angled tweezer. It depends on the device and what you are working on. But as far as being able to grab components on the board, no problem. The tip is precise. We have some dirt on the tip here. The tip is precise. And as you can see, the tip is square cut. I would not say it's as precise as the Qianli straight tweezer. Look at this. I would say this is a more heavy duty tweezer, and it's square cut rather than round edged. And let's take a look at the third tweezer from Best. And I feel like the opening on this one is wide, just like the Kianli bent one that we went over. And I liked it so much because of how much it opens. I think the tweezer from Best, this one here, it opens up even more than Kianli. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I think I'm in love with this tweezer. I have not used it yet, but I think I'm in love with it because it opens up so much. Look at the way it opens up. Look at this. I can probably grab an iPhone CPU with this tweezer. It opens up a lot. How fine is it? Let's compare it with the Kianli bent tweezer. I would say it's just as fine. And let's compare it with the Kianli straight tweezer. I think the Kianli straight one is a finer tip. Yes, it's a finer tip. But this one is heavy duty. I mean, I can feel the weight on this, and look at how thick the tweezer is. I mean, I like the fact that it opens up a lot, and you have to put some pressure on it in order to close it, and the tip is precise. So I would say that tweezers from Best are meant to be heavy duty, and this one in specific opens up a lot. Great. Great. And finally, we're going to go over the Mechanic tweezer, and I can tell you that this is one long tweezer. A lot of people like long tweezers. I'm one of them. It just feels good when you grab a long tweezer. I feel like you have more control over long tweezers. Let me just open it. And beauty. It's a beauty. Look at the finish on this. Wow. This is probably twice or 3 times as heavy as the other ones. Look at the finish on this tweezer. It comes with 8 holes, and those are probably for the anti-slip feature. And most importantly, let's take a look at the tip. Wow. Wow. Is this the finest one from all those tweezers? So this is the one from Kianli, and this is the one from Mechanic. And Mechanic is finer. Mechanic is finer. You see how they make one side thicker than the other side? That's so you can grab without slipping. But the Mechanic one is even finer than the Kianli one. I mean, the tweezer feels really good in the hand. Look at this. It's a long one. If we compare it with the Kianli straight tweezer, this one is longer. And I want to see the opening. How wide does this tweezer opens? The Kianli opens up that much, which is great. But now we came across the Best one, which opens up even more. Okay. And let's take a look at the Mechanic. Smaller opening than the Kianli. And of course, a smaller opening than the Best. Let me put the tweezers back, and we're gonna go over other items that we got in.